Hello everyone. So topic is regular expression in JavaScript. So regular expression is not for a specific language for JavaScript. We can also use in a for PHP, Java, Python and other language. It is a common topic, but we implement regular expression in JavaScript in this video. So what is a regular expression? A regular expression is a sequence of characters that form a search pattern, and this search pattern uses to text search and text replace operation. So what is search pattern? We understand it with an example like we want a group of people the age between 18 to 35. So earlier we used to if else condition. So in it will show output in if else condition. But in regular expression we make a search pattern like age is 18 to 35. So it will reduce our code length and shortly give the output. So this search pattern uses to text search and text replace operation. So we need to somewhere search your text and replace. So we use regular expression. And the most use of regular expression in our HTML form, like we want to get username, Gmail ID or mobile number. So with the help of regular expression, we validate our HTML form. So we will see in depth in other videos. But here we see basic of regular expression. So there are two ways of creating regular expression. First one using literal and second one using regex constructor. So this is the syntax both of them, and regexp have two methods. First one return of first one is return the array of information mismatch or null, like, and text it is used to text string it is a match or not. So here we will see creating regular expression. First one using literal and second one using constructor. So we will see that. So here I am making a regular expression using literal. So variable giving name regex. Here I am making a regular expression with the help of character class. So what is a character class? And we will see use of following areas for regular expression. So first one is the character class. Predefined character class, repetition quantifier, position anchor, pattern modifier, alternation, grouping, and word boundaries. So first we will see character class. So what is the character class? So here in, in square bracket some character in square bracket. So we will see that. So first one is in square bracket ABC. So match any one of character, like any character match in this in our string. So it will return true. So you will see character class with an example one by one. So here I am taking a one string. After that we create regular expression. So So here I am taking a pattern like A. Here I am giving a modifier like G. G means it will return a global search in the all string. And here I am making using constructor. So regex I am taking new variable. Here I need to double brackets. So here with literal and this is with constructor. So you'll see that both of them. So here I am test string in string with the help of regex, literal regex. So A is contained in this string or not. Mohan is good. So in this string A is contained. So it will show test successful. So you will see that. So I am using a regex method. First I write regex dot test str. So here test is successful. Because in A is contained in this string str. So now you will see using constructor. So I comment this and here I am using regex. So you will see that using constructor. So you got text successful. So here we seen both using literal and using constructor. So here in character class we seen that first one ABC. I put A in bracket in that example, and in second one and here second one match any one character rather than ABC. Only not contain the string ABC. Any other character, so it will show true. And third one is A to Z. So it will match to lower character from A to Z. And fourth one is A to Z in capital letter. So it will match all character, capital letter character. And fifth one is the match any lowercase and uppercase character. Both are match. And sixth one is 0 to 9. So it will match any single digit from 0 to 9 and A to Z and 0 to 9. So it will contain all the things like A to Z, character and number. So this is our character classes, and this is all about our regular expression. Some more and some more topics we need to cover in that, like we covered character class, so we need to one second one predefined classes, repetition quantifier, position anchor, all the things you need to cover that. So we will see other things in other videos. And now thanks for watching.